So yesterday we just unfinished this one topic is the user and group. How to we manage this user and group our this access control and we'll now discuss user and group in more depth as a quick review. So Linux is a multi-user OS and related user can be added to group. So we briefly discussed when we spoke about the sudo and admin group. And in the case of sudo, all user added to the sudo or admin group have full access to the sudo. তাহলে আমি আরেকটু ট্রাই করি ব্লুটুথ কার সাথে কানেক্টেড হলো। ব্লুটুথ কানেকশন কার সাথে হয়েছে, কি আপনাদের সাথে হয়েছে? হ্যালো,
হ্যাঁ,
Yeah, we
আপনার
can
কথা
hear you.
শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
হ্যাঁ?
Yes, yes.
শোনা যাচ্ছে?
না, শোনা যাচ্ছে না। আমি বুঝলাম না কার সাথে ব্লুটুথ কানেক্টেড হলো আমার এটা।
Yeah, we can listen.
না, এই কম্পিউটারের সাথে হয়নি। It's not connected in this laptop. For the reason, this is the problem. So, oh. উফ, আসলে এই লাইফটা খুব বিরক্তিকর লাইফ, অনলাইন লাইফ। হ্যাঁ, এই যে কতগুলো যে ডিভাইস কার সাথে কানেক্টেড হয়ে যায় এটাই তো বুঝতেছি না, বুঝছেন?
It's gonna be easy to hack you.
না না, আমার আমার ডিভাইস অনেকগুলা, এই কারণে আপনার কার সাথে যে কানেকশন ছিল আগে এটাই।
যারা ভাই ওই যে নেটওয়ার্কিং এ কাজ করে, বিশেষ করে এটা কি বলে আপনার ওই যে বিভিন্ন সুইচে কানেকশনস গুলো দিতে হয়, কোনটা থেকে কোনটা হবে, কি হবে, মানে সো পেইনফুল জব ওগুলো।
মানে কার সাথে যে কার যে কানেক্টেড হচ্ছে, এটা অনেকগুলো ডিভাইস তো।
আপনার হেডফোনটা কি ব্লুটুথ?
হ্যাঁ,
ওই
হ্যাঁ।
বাকিগুলা কি টার্ন অফ করার স্কোপ আছে? তাইলে ওগুলা টার্ন অফ করে দিলে হয়তো আপনি আইডেন্টিফাই করতে পারবেন।
না ভাই, আরেকটা জিনিস, আপনার হচ্ছে গিয়ে একটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে আপনার ডিভাইসে হেডফোন কানেকশনসটা আছে কিনা দেখতে হবে, তারপর আবার জুমে কিন্তু আবার এটাকে চেনাইতে হয়।
হ্যাঁ, আগে ডিভাইসে কানেকশনটা হয়নি এখনো।
না, বাট হচ্ছে কি ডিভাইসের না হলো ওই যে জুমে যে অডিওটা, ওখানে কিন্তু ওই যে লেফট ক্লিক করলে তখন ওখানে থেকে আপনার মানে ওই আপনার হেডফোন বা আপনার ডিভাইস যেটা আছে সেটা কানেক্টেড করতে হবে, কারণ অনেক সময় দেখা যায় যে ডিভাইসে কানেক্টেড হয়েছে বাট জুমে এসে ওটা না স্পেসিফাই করে দিলে হেডফোনটা কাজ করবে না, স্পিকার বা আপনার যে মাউথপিস যেটা
আসলে
আর কি।
আমার আমার বাসায় অনেক ডিভাইস। হ্যালো, হ্যালো।
জি, আপনাকে শোনা যাচ্ছে।
এখন এখন মনে কানেক্টেড আছে না? হ্যালো।
জি, এখন এখন শোনা যাচ্ছে।
হ্যাঁ, এখন কানেক্টেড আছে। আমার বাসায় অনেক ডিভাইস, অনেক অনেক অনেক, মানে আপনারা আসলে পাগল হয়ে যাবেন দেখে। হিউজ ডিভাইস। আপনার শুধু ল্যাপটপে আছে একটা দুইটা তিনটা চারটা পাঁচটা ছয়টা, আজকে একটা কিনলাম 7টা। আজকে একটা ল্যাপটপ, তারপরে কম্পিউটার আছে মানে যে সব রানিং কম্পিউটার আছে মানে 12টা।
আপনার বাসায় একটা ফ্যাক্টরি কম্পিউটার।
না, আমার করতে গবেষণা করতে হয় তো।
হুম।
আমার যে
সার্ভারও রাখছেন নাকি?
না না, সার্ভার রাখলাম, যে বিল আসে ইলেকট্রিক, আমি সার্ভারটা সব হচ্ছে কো লোকেশনে রাখছি, কিছু নিউ জার্সি কো লোকেশন, শিকাগো কো
He's
লোকেশন।
mining crypto.
হ্যাঁ,
মানে ক্রিপ্টো মাইনিং করতেছেন?
ও না, আমার তো মাইনিং ইন্ডাস্ট্রি ছিল পেনসিলভেনিয়াতে। আমার প্রায় 500, আমার তো অনেক বিটকয়েন ছিল, প্রায় 200 বিটকয়েন ছিল আমার। আমি নিজে মাইনিং করে তৈরি করছি 2015 থেকে 2018-19 পর্যন্ত।
Hope you
আমার
still have them.
নো, আমি পরে এগুলো আসলে অনেক দুঃখজনক ব্যাপার, দুঃখজনক না, ইচ্ছা ইচ্ছা করে আমি ডিস্ট্রয় করে ফেলছি। দিস আ রিলিজিয়াস ইস্যু, ইজ টোটালি হারাম, পরে আমি পড়ালেখা করে জানলাম। সো এটা আসলে একেবারেই হারাম এই ইনকাম।
Makes sense.
সো দিস ইজ দ্য ভেরি ব্যাড ইনকাম, বিকজ মানে যখন আমি স্টাডি করলাম এগুলো নিয়ে একটু বেশি, আমার নিজস্ব মাইনিং ছিল, আমার হ্যাশিং করতাম আমি নিজস্ব, একদম সব আমার নিজের ছিল, ফুল নেটওয়ার্ক ছিল, বিশাল ইন্ডাস্ট্রি ছিল। আপনি আমার ফেসবুকে গেলে 2017 বা 18 এর দিকে ফেসবুকটা চেক করে দেখবেন, বিশাল ইন্ডাস্ট্রি, প্রায় আমার 500 মাইনিং ছিল, T1, S9, S7 মাইনিং।
Well, which year was it?
হ্যাঁ, তখন আমি মাত্র
What?
মাইনিং করছিলাম কত, 3,000 টাকা ছিল তখন বিটকয়েনের দাম।
That was in 2012, 13.
না 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 না, মাঝখানে 2014-এ, 14-15 অনেক কম ছিল।
Hmm.
সো এবার আপনার 17-এ 16,000 হয়েছে, তখনই মূলত আমি বিক্রি করে দিই, একদম বিক্রি না, আমি ডেস্ট্রয় করে দিছি অনেকগুলা।
Hmm.
You teach course related with mining also?
সরি,
You teach course related with mining also?
yes, this is we have this Allentown, one town is Pennsylvania, I have own industry. There is maybe mm,
They are related with
every
all
month I paid
academics.
more money for electricity. And then is a problem when I study, this is a very, very religious, restricted, and then it will be not good for religious people.
Yeah. Yes.
Anuj
Okay.
Piri is learning Bangla. Nice to hear.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I understand, but I can't,
Okay, yeah, yeah.
I understand little bit, but I can't speak.
Okay,
No,
this is the good. I have
there are a lot
friends.
I understand.
Yes, I have
There are a
also
lot of
friend Nepali friends. He can
Nepali
understand.
student. They come to become doctor in Bangladesh.
Lots
Yeah,
of
I know.
Nepali.
Lots,
Yes.
lots of. Yeah.
Dental,
They have limited
medical.
yeah,
Yeah.
in medical field
My wife is
or
a
MBBS.
surgeon, so she had lot of Nepali friends.
Yes.
Okay, we just start now. And then Linux has the ability to create group of user for other function like file and service sharing. If you don't understand anything, just ask me and raise the hand. After finish this chapter, then you ask this question. If a company has a different department like sales, account, and marketing, a Linux administrator can create a group for each department. Only the user in the group can access a file owned by this group. So you have a Linux admin, you have sales department, you have accounts department, and you have marketing department. So this is, they have lots of group. So you can manage this group. But as a cyber security engineer, you don't know need basically this is the group maintain, but you need how to maintain, because without know how to maintain this group in Linux, so you can't planning how to mitigate, how to solution, and how to each user protected from cyber attack. So cybersecurity engineer, they need for lots of thing understanding. Otherwise, he can't or she can't good engineer. So understand. So for this reason, we start this social media, and you write down anything, any topics, and every day, you're trying to write down something, at least one line, and then you connect with this cybersecurity group. So this is the very important. And at least you write down, this is the one command, ls. Just write down if anything Linux. Anyone start his own just lecture. So just starting, okay, I just start this one command for Linux. Anybody interested, please learn this ls, how to ls, and then you give this a picture. Slowly every day you update in this forum and Linux YouTube, sorry, Facebook, our group, and then you revise, and you every day you practice every command. So this is a very important. You just write down one command in server and copy and paste, and then share this work. Before diving into this command, we'll cover how the Linux identify user and group in the system and ID command. So user and group system admin must know how to add and remove a user to system, add and remove groups, and add and remove user from groups. Soon we'll discuss command specific used for the group and group management. So Linux associates a specific number to each user of identify purpose. This number is called a user ID and a user UID. And then when Linux need to identify a user, it doesn't look at the user name, it uses the UID. So system user or automated user design to complete system task have a UID assigned to assign a number less than 10,000. So this is a very important, this line number 3. System user have a UID that is less than 1,000. So every this is the system ID, system user ID. System user ID, it means a root, and system user ID is different. This is not a user. So every times a hacker trying to hack the system user ID. So a system user ID always at less than 10,000 1,000 user ID number. A standard user or user that are standard user. So standard user or user that are assigned to a real person have UID assigned at the number greater than 1,000. Means we are the standard ID and standard real person. So a root user always has the UID is 0. This is the root UID is 0, and we are the standard user. Human user always this the UID is greater than 1,000. So user and group demo scenario. So we are planning a GID, group ID, and that is associated with the group. And our UID is above 10,000, 1,000, which indicate that that we are the standard user. So we can also just see. Okay, I show you how to be. So. Okay. So user root ID is a standard is 0. And then user and group demo scenario. Say in the upcoming demo, we'll dive into the more action for user and group management using the following scenario. So company recently made change to the developer team. So this is the Mike, a lead developer has left the company. So Joseph has joined as a new junior developer. This is our scenario. And the company Linux system has never been set up properly with a developer group. So instead, Mike was part of the general group. So Mike, he was just added the general group. And as the system admin for this system, you need to remove Mike from the general group, remove the general group and delete Mike from this system. So Mike and a lead developer has left the company. So general group, just delete the general group. So you need to add Joseph to the system, create a developer group and add Joseph to this group. So Joseph has joined as a new junior developer and add developer group add, and Joseph trying to add a Joseph group. So now user group scenario accomplish this task. Group get group into the user mic and user mode lock mic account to prevent him from logging, and user mode this is the command groups command, user mode remove the user mic from the general group. And del user is the command remove home delete the user mic, or if anything you remove, so you write down the del user dash remove dash home, and del group is group del and add user means create the user Joseph, and add group is create the developer group. User mode add the user Joseph the developer group. So we now the scenario and demonstration.
So this creating users and group is
Yes,
same like we do in the Windows Server, right?
yes, same thing.
Okay. So there we do graphically and here we use command. That's only different.
Yeah, what's the different system user and root user?
System user is same more than 1000 user ID. This is the same user, but root user is main. This is the ID is UID is 0. I show you. System ID is same.
In-
Is
In
normal
Windows
is
They
Server,
both like admin.
no, is the totally different.
so in Windows Server, we do activities related with organizational unit also, OU.
Sorry again.
So in Windows Server, we do some tasks related with organizational unit.
No,
OU.
Windows. We have the Windows class, and after finish the Linux, we have the Windows class. Then we can
Okay.
discuss how to we Windows Server and Windows management. This is the we module 7. This is the Windows. We discuss details in Windows in module 7.
Okay.
And also everyone see this server?
We can say.
Yes.
Yes.
First I show this is the group ID. So how to user and user ID. So we go to the head etc password. So okay, so you see this is the we just write down the head etc password. So this is the password file which are located in etc root folder, and then they show you I'm just write down the head command for showing first 10 line. And you see this is the first root x00 means the root uid is a 0. And this is the daemon is 1, bean 2, system is 3, synchronize 4, games 5, man 6, lp 7, and mail 8, news 10. So this is the system uid. Okay, machine uid, this is the below 1000. So now we can check this is the group, they have any group just we just write down their open groups. There is the group system admin sudo and user. This is the 3 groups in here. So and then we can write down this ID. So what is the ID? ID UID is system. UID is 1000. So 1000 as start the system ID, and group ID is 1000. Groups is 1000 system, and 27 is sudo, and 100 user. So this if any we create if any group as a system ID, so the maximum user will be in here 100. So now we make a okay, we now check this user. We have any mic. The Adam Bailey HTTP Jack mic. Okay, Max. Okay, no mic. They have the user in here now. Basically, we planning. Number one, planning get a group info from mic user using the command groups, and then lock mic account to prevent him from logging in using the command user mode, and remove the mic user from general group with the command user mode, and then delete the mic user by using the command del user remove home, and then delete the general group using the command del group. And then number 6, we just create a Joseph user with the command add user, create a developer group using the command add group, add the Joseph user to the developer group using the command group. So we this is our procedure. I think we have no mic in here. We can using the jack. Okay. So group sudo user system admin. Okay. So We know group. Okay. For only root may add user. Okay. So So they create this group, a general. We now check. This is the group, creating the groups. System. Demon root system, admin mail news. This is the group. I can check. Get 10.
Yeah, if you look at the end, there is general right there.
General, okay. So now we can check add user. We now add user. We just have add the mic. So sudo add user mic. So password, we can write down the password 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then mic. Okay, this is the use this already ready for mic, and then we can group mic to print a mic group to the screen. So now we can group mic, just show this mic group, and they now show mic user. But we need sudo user mode A and G. So general, this mic means mic is a general group. Okay, general. So now enter. Okay, now again we can check groups mic. So there's a mic user is general. Okay. So now each user is also member of the group that shared the name of users. Suppose if we just write down in groups, your Z group or X group, Z group. Okay, Z. So group Z is no such user. So Z sudo user. Okay. So Z2 is sudo user. Z1. Who is a Z1? Who is a Z1? Z3 is a sudo user. So and then now when a user is created by Linux, default creates a group in which user become a member. So the user mode command has many different options and lets us do many things to user command, but we are going to look at L and G option. So L and G option will be lock the account, and G
L is log the account, and G option will specify the group a user should belongs to. So now we can write down in here sudo first. We can log this is the Mike, because Mike already left this job from company. So we now need for log this user. So how to log any user? Sudo user mode, and then L, capital L, Mike. Okay, so means any user logged need. So okay, before command we can show this is the Mike user, then you can understand. Tail etc. So you see Mike, last user Mike, they are already open. Okay, already they are open. Okay. When we write down this command, sudo user mode -L means log, and then Mike means Mike log. Okay, and then enter, and then again we tell etc password. You see, this is the different. Mike is a Mike log. Flag, where the flag, sudo you should be sudo L.
শ্যাডো ফাইলে দেখতে হবে।
Oh, thank you. So mic is locked. You see, this is the exclamator, this one sign in here. So this is the lock is mic. So this is a capital L means the lock any user. So it's not possible this user again logging this server. So now we can remove mic from general group, because mic before was general group. We can again check what the mic. This is the groups mic, enter. This is the mic has a general group. So if we now check this okay.
Our new mobile vehicles are designed around keeping you and your loved ones safe, all to a comfortable and stylish driving experience. No way to travel while enjoying low prices and payments on any of our new or certified by Volvo vehicles. Volvo Cars Hudson Valley, luxury starts here on Route 9.
Okay, so now we can see groups mic is a general group, but now we can change this mic from general group. So now we can write down in this command sudo user mode G is the mic from general group. So we can mic and then to remove from mic from general group and mic. So and first G first G is capital G is the user mode flag, specify which group the user should belong to, and the groups that we specify following is command will be the only groups that user belongs to after we run that command. And mic first mic following the G flag and the group we want to user to belong to, and in this case we want to mic to be member of the mic group only, effectively remove the general group. And then mic the user mode command always and the user we can modify. So now we can enter. So means mic is not a general group. So now we can check again mic groups mic. So general group he mic remove from general group. And now we can mic has successfully removed from the groups general groups, and we can now remove the mic user from the system using the del user. We can try whole mic delete from the our system. So now this is the sudo del user, and then we should be this way. Otherwise, if you write down only del user mic, it will be only delete from home, but all system file have already in this your server. So you should be write down this command: remove home mic. Then mic remove whole system. So del user is command, and first remove and home means is del user flag remove the user home folder along with the user, and then mic is user mic. Then we can write down just command looking for the file backup remove and removing file, removing cron tab, removing everything remove. Okay, so now we can check again this command mic have any group, mic no group, no user. Okay, and now we can check ls home. So they have no mic. Okay, so do you remember how the verify user or group on the system? So this is the very important. You always check this user after delete, and then you check whole system, anything hidden file existence. So first you can check sudo grep mic first etc pass. So anything in here? No, nothing in here. And then you can check this is the mic is shadow any no sorry any group gro group no group mic, and then you can check mic has any general group before it was in general, because group general group has available now still now grep general. And then so they have this if anything is group in this general, so they can show how many user in this group. Suppose we can write down in here, suppose we write down just sudo group, then they show how many sudo user in here. So you understand now? And
So
now
first we delete a mic, then we deleted the group.
Group, yes. And now,
But what if other people in the group?
No, if this group we just other people, if other people have group, we just remove all user, because we can planning we delete general group and develop and make a one develop group, another group. So this is our scenario. Okay. So now we just show this is how do we group delete, and now we can write down a sudo del group. So general means all general, all removing this group. Now we can check this is the group is available, general group, general, you can no general group. So now we can trying to new user add. So add user, is a Joseph. So Joseph is already added. So we can write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Joseph is name.
We added Joseph, but we didn't specify which group he's going to, right?
Yes. So we now one new employee is his name is Joseph. He is just join this group, join this company, and we just added this group, added his name, and now we can need Joseph groups Joseph to display the group of Joseph. Now this is the group display the Joseph group. So remember, when a user is added to the system, by default a group by the same name is added. Also we are also when user is deleted, their group is also deleted. So as long as no other user are member of the group, যদি কোনো member না থাকে ওই গ্রুপে তাহলে full delete হয়ে যাবে ওই group. So now we can add this. We'll create the new group developer group using the add command group. Now we can add group, add command, add group developers. This is the group. Adding this group is developer. Now we can check. This is the tail etc group is the developers is one group, and then now our new group will be the last line. This is a group line, and tail is easier and quickly the grip in this case. We can now see both the new Joseph group that was created when we added the user Joseph, as well as the new developer group. So we are now ready to add a Joseph to a developer group using the user command. So how do we now? Sudo Joseph and add group developer who is Joseph. Okay. So this is the command sudo Joseph a means add and g means group developer. So Joseph command not user mode. So this is the add already add this group. So we now check. Groups. There are the group system. Okay, groups. Group Joseph. So So Joseph already in a developer group. So we have now created Joseph user and create the developer group, added Joseph it. So a user always has a primary group that is typically the same name as the user. The primary group can be changed to another group, but there isn't actually a reason to do so. Groups that a user in added to beyond the primary group are known as the secondary group. So user can be a member of the unlimited secondary group. So now we can check this is the developer. Suppose developers, yes. So developers group has Joseph. Okay. So now summary. So receive group Mike. So what's we working? So we using a mic user with the command group, and then we using the user mode and delete the mic. Sorry, user mode, and we can try slide দেখা যাচ্ছে
জি ওই যে
So
আপনার remote session disconnected হয়ে যাবে এরকম একটা অপশন আসছে
হ্যাঁ সরি
না ওই যে রিমোট ডেস্কটপ কানেকশন ডিসকানেক্টেড হয়ে যাবে এরকম একটা অপশন আসছে
আচ্ছা সো তাহলে আমরা এখানে কি করলাম আমরা মাইক একটা ইউজার করলাম আমরা সে দেখলাম যে মাইক গ্রুপ আছে কিনা দেন আমরা ইউজার মোড উই ক্যান জাস্ট using the user mode command, and then we can write down the lock mic account using the L, and we can user mode remove the user mic, and then del user totally we can using mic delete from the system, and then we can delete this group general group. And now again we can add this new employee Joseph and add the group developer, and we can add this Joseph to developer group. This is our demo. And now your any raise hand? Yes, Shariar bhai.
Did I miss anything like if we make two users in one group, so while deleting that, how to delete a single user from that group? So did we see that, or if there is only one user in that particular group, we have deleted that group?
So if you have two user, you can delete this group. So you just delete another user, and or you can just deselect, or you can delete from this user second or third user from this group, and then group will be deleted. Otherwise no deleted this group.
Okay. No, I mean, I'm saying that suppose in a developer group, there are two users like Joseph and Mike, right? So we are deleting Mike.
No, developer group has only one user is Joseph.
No,
Mike was a general group.
Okay. No, I'm just giving an example that
Okay.
if there is a group of developer and there are two users, Joseph and Mike. So we want to delete only Mike. So using this command, we can, because we are deleting the whole group, the developer group, right? So, but we want to keep Joseph, only delete Mike. So with that command, it will delete both of the users, or
No.
Okay.
Only if you have more user in this one group, so you can try to all user delete from this group, then it will be working. Otherwise no.
Okay.
Can we also add user to the current group?
Yes.
Yeah, so can
Please check your Slack.
Slack.
20 minutes, 5:28. Solve this. I'm trying to solution now, and then you can try.
Okay, bye. You can share your screen.
Okay. Where's my screen? You can see it?
Yes, yes.
Uh, okay.
So at first we need to make user, then user we have to put that user in group or what?
You check user ID, check group ID, make sure all the system account is done. If the final user verify all the non-admin user are part of the group developer. The developer group
Well,
doesn't exist.
there are already users.
But there's already a developer group we just created.
Okay.
So you have to add Adam, Billy, Sally, and Max. Should not be remember the developer group. Instruction use to display the ID. Well, my user ID is 1009. That's a standard. No, that's a general standard ID. Mm.
Okay, we'll go through solution guide.
So we are number 3.
See?
Number 3 says record the output. In case you can learn how the user ID. We just did the user ID Z4. Record the
Okay.
output series command to new file on the research folder. My research folder. Oh. On my research folder. Let's see. So I have to create another folder on research, another file on research folder. So we're gonna do touch. I'll probably use it over here. User underscore ID. So I got two. The record output from this series coming to the new file and research folder. So ours, oh no, sorry. ID Z4. So we have to send this to we just the file we just created. How do you do that? Hold on. That's that would be research plus user ID. So now when we go to research cat user, so the user ID just went to the user ID file. Number 3 says print the group you and the other user belongs to. Print the group. হবে এটা? Which group we belong to?
I think our one username. So
Should we
groups.
create should we create a group?
No, I think it's already created.
Which so number 3 it says print the group you and other user belong to. But which group we belong to? I don't even know. Is it developer?
Groups.
Hmm. Print the group you and other user belong to. Group as oops Z4. ইয়া হবে groups arrow Hmm. So Max and Adam in the same group. Same is sudo. Guys, did you guys find anything on number 3?
No. Can you find the user Jack?
Jack.
Yeah.
He's also in this group. Hex. This one, Max is in the same group, and Adam is in the same group. Yeah. Hmm.
Habib bhai,
Yes, bye.
you can just write a one command, get GET একসাথে হবে GET ENT get n
Get G
GET ENT
GET ENT.
no GET ENT then group. Okay, enter. You can see at once all the groups, members, and everything. So you can go up and then you see the pseudo group. You can see who is member of the pseudo group. Yeah. Jack, Shelley, and user, you can go down. Then you can see the user group, who is the in user group. Yeah. All the groups, all the members, you can checked at once.
Okay, that's the best command.
Yeah, and Jack also was in sudo group, but maybe somebody already deleted.
Why you have Jack in
Now Jack was in sudo group, so somebody maybe already delete those.
maybe
Yeah.
because we changed it yesterday, maybe? No.
No. I checked myself. Then I checked there the Jack is there, so
I think
maybe.
I did it. Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
I did remove Jack from my end.
Yeah, so that's why. Yeah.
Okay, so now we have to do
Because these assignments should be done by one person at a time, then you can see everything. Otherwise, is conflict. Somebody will add.
yeah, if one of us do it, then they don't get to
Yeah.
see it.
Yeah, it seems like this is kind of a global.
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
one
it
person
is
does it, then
applicable
everybody
for
get it.
everyone.
Yeah. So
What's that?
But
everyone
what?
share
But
and
why?
then
But
everybody
this.
will check everything.
But G10, you got this because you just want to see where the groups are, right?
Yes, everything you can see at a time. Yeah.
But my question was then because he says run the group, so which group we should run it? Which group should we run it? Then put it into group user ID. So all of us are here on sudo and user ID. So is there like a group sudo?
Everyone okay?
Mm,
Anything problem?
no. Yeah,
What's the problem?
we are unable to find the Jack.
Jack unable to find?
Oh no, I removed
Jack
it.
already
So
deleted.
you will not be able to find it because I removed
Okay,
it.
yeah. This is the only one. This is the one server. If
Mhm.
you are dedicated server, then you can see individual.
But we can change the name to different user, right? Like put like Sally.
Yeah,
No,
Jack is there.
Sally still is there, so we can delete.
Yeah, I can see Jack also.
No, there's a
Well,
group. There's no.
Jack
No.
not under a sudo group.
No,
right
no,
now.
Sally. You can add again a Jack, then
Yeah.
delete. Okay.
Okay.
Because I already completed step 4, so probably you can start from 5, or you can just add and then redo the step 4.
Okay. So we could just create and run another Jack. That's fine.
So inshallah, we can starting from next batch is dedicated server, but next batch is very expensive. Dedicated server start, so there's more money. Dedicated server is more money.
What is it called? Dedicated server?
Yeah, means this is your server. 24 hours you can deal everything. You can do this, no problem.
So dedicated server meaning he's saying that each of us will get an individual, server. So there will be no conflict.
This is our big server, so we can manage all user, all student is one server. So if it's a 24 RAM, 24 GB RAM, and big one. So next batch we are starting maybe dedicated server. Each user one server, different IP, different server.
We use cloud, AWS
All
server or
is
Azure?
cloud. All is cloud.
No,
All
I mean
server is
from
cloud.
which I mean, from which compliance? I mean, from AWS or GCP
Oh, this
or
is the no.
Azure?
Linux server is different company. Linux, not AWS.
So, but from AWS also we can create
Yeah, we
Linux
can
server.
Linux. So, but AWS is very expensive also.
Yeah.
It,
So
yes,
every
AWS
millisecond they charge
they charge per minute.
per millisecond.
Yeah, so this is the very
Microsecond.
expensive. So it will be per month maybe $200-300 only server.
Yeah. Very expensive.
So this is the problem. And Windows server also so expensive. And study server also more expensive. If I rent it or buy from company, oh my God, we just finish. No need. At least you pay every more than $10,000 this course. If we connect with a company, so they charge lots of money.
In one month bankrupt.
Yeah, they charge is this university charge maybe $15,000 or $20,000 this course, because they have same thing, same course. But this is the problem. If you study this from university, so they only lecture and finish and then go, tata, bye bye. Okay, everything okay? So no question. Okay, we now 4.3. We next class is starting access control and managing service. So did you receive Slack new slide?
Yeah,
You can
4.3.
see.
Yeah,
Yeah,
4.3.
we got it. Yeah.
Okay. So today class will continue our introduction of Linux by covering more topics related to auditing a malfunctioning system, ranging from a file permission to service user, managing service, and securing the root account. And today class objective, because inspect and set a file permission for sensitive file on the system, manage and monitor service on the system, and remove unused service, and then create a assign user for service. So just we just review last class. So auditing password using the John the Reaper, and elevating a privilege with sudo and su, and creating a managing user and group, and inspect setting file permission for sensitive files on the system. So today we just confirm that while no system is completely safe, there are many steps we can take to make a system harder for an attacker to exploit. Our strategies revolve our strategies revolve around reducing attack surface, and continue to practice the principle of least privilege. So we will continue our junior Linux administrator narrative, learning a few more techniques to protect the system. And this week's challenge will use all of a new technique you have learned. Then this is a very new technique. So, and then exam, we just starting this week. Like Google Docs, Linux has access control that grants permission to access the documents and file and host. So this function is in an access control. this control determine which actions are user are able to take on a file, edit, view, etc. Permission regulated or who can take the action. For example, Jane can read and write, but Ivan can only read. So managing access control, suppose each item has permission set the owner of the item, the group associated with the item and other. So item is a one objective and then owner. So typically the user who creates this item, but this can be changed. And group, typically the primary group associated with the creator. This can also be changed. And other is everyone who is not this owner and not in the group. So manage access because any item owner can, the owner read this item, can the owner write this item, can the owner execute this item. Means this is the any file you can make this, any new file, anything you just your permission. So who make this file, so he can own, read, write and execute. And this owner, this group, and this group can read this item, can write this item, can execute this item, because we last class we just know how to group edit. And then other can read this item, other can write this item, other can execute this item. But this is the all permission. If you have all permission this file, so owner, group and other, everyone can read, write, execute. Assigning this permission called a DAC, discretionary access control. DAC, it is a dictionary because its permission can pass from one subject to another. So permission demo. So in this upcoming demo, we'll create a file, a directory, observing a default permission. So then we'll change this permission to deny creating groups and user access. So in order to read and manipulate this file permission, we need the following command: lsl, show the permission information, and we can write down the chmod command, change the permission information, and we can write down this command chown to change the owner and group to files. So now we going to just break. I think this is good for 10 minutes break. So 5:46 we come back. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so this demonstration we can starting there's lsl and chmod and chown. সবাই দেখতেছেন? Everyone see this server?
Yes, yes.
So now we can try in here this make a one file. This is a touch. My file is the one touch, and then this is just file with ls. Yes, my file is ready, and we can directory, my directory, sudo, and then ls. We can check this my file and my directory. They all ready. And now we can write down this first one, lsl, means now they show what is their privilege, what is this total permission. So now they're showing in here, you see, this is the my directory and my file. So in here, my directory have, there's a 2, you see, this is the write down 2, and then just a minute. We make this again. Okay, directory. My directory, okay. So this is the true system. One is a my directory and another is a my file. So my directory, you just see, this is the D. D means is the directory, and then 3 option R W X. This is the one is user who create this group, create this file, and then RWX is the group, and then R-X, this is the all user. So this is the three option, 1 and 2 and 3 is the permission. You see, this is the my file is different color, and this is the not a directory, means not D. So this is the file, and RW dash RW dash R dash dash. This is the permission. So first file or directory permission. So we now RW RR. So we see RW. What is this? So number of the link to this file. So you see this is the one means this my file have only one link. They have no link, only this file. You see, this is the one means my file have only one file. They have nothing. So for the reason, this is the my file. And then this is the one. And then first system admin, and then the second system admin. So user name of the file or directory owner, this is the system admin, and group assigned to the file and or directory, this is the system admin group. So this file have owner permission and group permission. Both have system admin and system admin. And this file have size 0 size. They have no file, nothing. So this is the 0 file. And date and time of last modification, October 19. This is the last modification and time. This is the time. And this is the time for server location. So for the different from your location and my location, this is the only time show. This is the server location, NTP network time protocol. And then file or directory, this is the file and directory name. Okay. So permission are always listed in the order to read, write, and execute for the user, then group, then other. So first permission is the user, first 3. This 3 word is user, another 3 word is group, another 3 is other. And directories will always be labeled D. So this is the directory always is showing this D. And item that are files will always be labeled with the hyphen. So all we using the hyphen means these other have only a read, no write permission, and only have executive permission. Only other this is the middle is hyphen means only other people read and execute permission. And then other people means only read and write and no execute permission, and other people. And in here only group have read and write permission, not execute, because this my file is only text file, so this is not a executable file, so no execute. For the directory, the owner permission is RWX. Always directories owner permission. This is the who make this owner. System admin make this owner. So for the reason, this is the R read write X. Read stand for R stand for read, W stand for write, X stand for execute. So the execute permission allows a user to enter that directory with a CD as opposed to just create a file instead of the directory W or list a file in the directory R. For the file permission, RW means in here, I said you RW, RW, then hyphen means the owner can read and write the file, the hyphen and then R money read and W means write. So owner can read and write, and hyphen means indicate the absence of the permission for execute on the my file. So the owner does not have permission to execute on this file. So this makes sense because the file is not something that can be executed. If we wrote a code into this file and we wanted to the computer to run it as a program, so then we could then enable the execute permission so it could be executed. So if anything we write down in here my file and then we can make execute command and permission, then it will be executed. And you see this is the something in here Rx for the directory, the group permission Rx, the hyphen indicate the absence of the write permission. So any one user cannot write permission. So the group does not have permission to create a file indicate my directory. But anyone from the group can enter the directory and view the file inside, because anyone they have the read permission and execute. So anyone can just enter this my directory and read this file. For the file, the group permission is if R hyphen, so means the group can read the file, but it does not have permission to write to or execute the file. So the last three character is shown the permission for all other user. For the directory, the permission is Rx. Okay. So. So summary, my file has read and write enable for the owner and only read enable for the group and other. This is my file. And my directory has read, write, and execute enable for the owner, but only read and execute for the group and other. Anyone, any question? বুঝছেন? Okay, so now we can details again. Now we will change the owner and the group by using C permission ch own. So So this is this again inspection the file, item name, this is item type, the item type is a one hyphen, and RW hyphen R hyphen R hyphen. So first owner permission 3 is read, write, and execute. So execute have no execute. So this is the only read write owner. And second is group permission is a read only, and hyphen is no read and write permission. And third is the other word only read permission. So understand? So
Yes.
same thing, changing file permission. So how to we changing the file permission? File permission can be set using two different notations, symbolic and octet. So user can read, write, and execute first 3. These are read, write, and execute, and group can read and write. So RW, and third is other can read only. So how to, this is the, we can make this changing, we can make this permission. So file permission can be set using two different notations, symbolic and octal. So suppose octal notation is first R means RWX means 4 to 1. R means 4. Read, any read permission, they have the 4. Any write permission, they have the 2. Any execute permission is 1. So 7. So if no permission, if anything no permission, so this is the hyphen means this is the 0. And only execute permission means X may this is the octal notation is 1. And only write permission means 2. Only write and execute permission means W is a write is 2, and X means 1, so it's 3. And then only read permission is R equal to 4. So read and execute permission is R is 4, and X is execute is 1. So this is the 5. And read and write permission is R is 4, write is 2, so it's a 6. Read, write, execute for permission is 7. R 4, 2, and 1. This is a 7. So this is the octal. We can write down this permission. This is the RWX means 7. RW means R means 4, and W means 2, means 6, and R means 4. So this is permission. How do we write down this permission? 764. সবাই বুঝছেন?
জি, আমাদেরকে তো অলরেডি একবার একটা প্র্যাকটিস হয়ে গেছে। আমরা একবার একটা ক্লাসে যে
ও হ্যাঁ এটা একটু আমরা করছিলাম আর কি।
766 দিয়ে আমাদের
এটা করছিলাম। হ্যাঁ, আপনাদের কি একটা জিনিস প্রবলেম হয়েছিল, তখন আমি বলছি 766 দিয়ে এটা করার জন্য। সো anyone doubt, anyone need this permission changing, everyone under, but this is a very important, okay?
পরীক্ষায় আসবে। হ্যাঁ,
খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্ট। এটা পরীক্ষা আসার চেয়ে এটা মানে আপনার জীবনের যারা সাইবার সিকিউরিটি বা লিনাক্সের জীবন শুরু করবেন তাদের আসলে এটা খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্ট।
তাহলে আমরা যে অথরিটি চেঞ্জ করি, আমরা তাহলে দুই ভাবে করতে হয়। একটা হচ্ছে কি আপনার ওই অক্টেট ফর্মে, মানে যে আপনার ডিজিট গুলো 7
একটা যে সিম্বল দিয়ে, হ্যাঁ
যে সিম্বল দিয়ে, যে ডি আর অথবা আপনার এক্স দিয়ে।
সো আমরা কি আমি একটু ইয়েতে যাই। আমরা ডেমোতে যাই তাহলে, ঠিক আছে? একটু ডেমো দেখাই। So they have the file, so we can now change this group permission. So suppose this is my file and my directory have only system and group permission. So we can now change. So we can now sudo chown own. This is the command. So we root root. So we can change. This is the my file system admin to root. Okay. So before it was system admin. Now we can change this owner group. So now we can check. So you see, this is the change. This is the root. My file is permission group and permission is changed. It is the root. So you can change this your any file to your name or anything. So you can change easily. And then if you check a specific file, so you can just write down in here, and this is the see this file. And then this file only read permission, read. So we can check this is the right this file. So now we sudo okay, sudo no, you can check this is the nano my file. So that's right. So we can control X executive and Y enter. No, you see error reading my file permission denied. Okay, so if we write down this, check this sudo control X and Y. So when we write down the sudo, so it will be working. Means this is the root permission. We have the using the root. So this is the root permission. So and then we now rm my file. So remove a write protected regular file, my file. So you just write down yes or no. You know, no. So always trying to this change this group. And then we change this permission. How do we change this? ls l my file my file root and my directory. That's my directory. Okay. Now we can check this my file. So my file, there is a root and permission is right read, write, and write means owner read and write, then not execute, group read and write, not execute, and other all read only. So now we can change. This is the permission. So how to change? Sudo chmod, and then we just write different way for understanding. User equal to write, read and write, and group equal to read, write, and owner equal to only read, write. Okay. Before it was only you see other no write permission, but now we can owner change this permission, and then we can which file? This is my file. So we can now enter. So it is okay, and then we can check. This is my file now. You see, this is the last one is change. Read and write permission. Before it was only read permission other. So understand? And then we can remove permission by leaving out the RWX, and can also remove them on add them all three categories with the plus and minus. So how to we can easy using any command for plus and minus. If we write plus X means all chmod plus X, my file means all user group and other is execute. So now enter plus X, and then we can check all have execute command execute. Okay. And if we write down in here minus X means they have all minus no execution all file. Enter. Now execution. If we just write down in here no read, only write, so enter. So all read is out. If we write plus read, all execution is read. Permission. So now check. All is read permission again. So, and then again, we can using the notation means number. So we know 0, 1, 2, 4 already. So 0 indicate that you have no permission, and 1 indicate you have the execute permission X, and 2 indicate that you have the write permission W, and 4 indicate you can read permission. Okay. So means if you write down only 4 means you only read this file. If you write down 6 means 4 and 2, 6. So this is the you read and write permission. If you write down 7 means read, write, and execute everything your permission. So suppose this file, my file, we write down same thing, chmod change 766 means 7 means is a owner have read, write, and execute permission, and then 6 means in group have only read and write permission, and user means and another 6 means has other means read and write permission. If I run this command, then change this permission. So enter. So we can now check. So this is the change this permission first 3 user. First user this before it was user have no execute permission. but now you have execute permission, RWX. So if we now write down in they have RW hyphen, RW hyphen means 6, RW means 6. And if you write down now in 444 means only read, only read at this permission. So you can do, and then only read this permission. If you write down in here, first 4 is the read, second 4 is read, and third 4 is read. So read is 4, write is 2, X is execute, X means 1. Read means R, W means write, X means execute. And then if you write down 666 means 4 2 means 4 means read and write permission only. So everything same before RX. If we write down 754 means owner have read, write, execute permission. Group has only 5 means 4 plus 1 means read and execute, and 4 means other only write permission. So then you see these are RWX, RX, and RR. Okay. So in this demo, so we create a file and directory and locked at all the permission they had by default. Then we change the permission to deny, particularly user and groups access to this directory. So you can use the more intuitive symbolic notation, but should become familiar with octal notation, as it is very commonly used by system admin every time when you, as a system cybersecurity engineer, you always using this type of notation for permission this file. So ls means we write down this is the ls. L is the permission information, and ch own we write down another is ch own, the ch own user group to change the owner and group for a file, and ch mode is permission and again ch mode I mean change the permission information. Okay, any question? আমি কি বুঝাতে পারছি?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that was pretty good.
Yeah, we got it.
Thank you.
Yeah, the number makes it easy instead of writing UR.
একজনের কাছে এক রকম।
Yeah, octal are more simpler. You don't have to write too
Yeah.
many things.
Yeah, you don't have to
It's
write U,
simple.
you could write W.
You don't have to apply comma.
যারা ম্যাথসে ভালো তারা পারবে।
I just remove the number. The beginning number সবগুলি 7. Second number is the group, and the third one is other
Yeah,
people.
I think all you have to do is just remember 4 to 1. That's it.
Yeah, this is a very important for cybersecurity. When I think many people we are familiar Linux, but no, when this is the first time you know. I'm sure because nobody knows this type of permission because you don't no need work. This is this permission need. So very interesting.
Yeah.
I think our whole bootcamp is very new, everyone?
Yeah, especially Linux. Yeah.
Okay, this is 25 minutes. This you finish this activity. No, 20 minutes. Okay. Who run this activity?
You get the work.
Bishwajit bhai, share your screen.
No Bishwajit. Other. কে চুপচাপ ছিল এতক্ষণ? কে স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করে নাই? হো সাফি সাফি where the Safi? Okay. Anuj Giri, Bishwajit, Obaidur Rahman bhai. Obaidur Rahman Canada?
Yes,
Yes,
Canada.
please screen share screen. And I'm now going to the Salat, and in the meantime finish this work, and okay, 20 minutes. Obaidur Rahman bhai,
Yes.
please share screen. আপনি কি নামাজ পড়তে যাবেন?
হ্যাঁ, আমি পরে পড়বো।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, ওকে।
আটলান্টাতে এখনো নামাজের টাইম হয়নি, আরো পরে।
এখানে প্রায় জোহর। সলিউশন দিয়ে দিছে।
দেখা যায় নাকি?
জি ভাই, দেখা যায়। আরেকটু বড় করতে পারেন।
Make a full screen, then make it bigger.
না, ফুল স্ক্রিন করলে ওই যে এটা
আচ্ছা,
বড়
বড়
হবে।
করতেছে।
লেখাটা বড় করে একটু।
বড় হয়েছে?
না, too small.
আমি তো কন্ট্রোল ইয়ে মারলাম, বড় হয় না কেন?
শিফট দিয়ে দেখেন তো।
না, আপনার
আচ্ছা, দাঁড়ান।
কন্ট্রোল দিয়ে মাউস কে স্ক্রল আপ করতে হবে নাকি?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ দিছি, তাও তো হচ্ছে না, ওই যে উপরে উঠে যাচ্ছে।
ভাইয়া ভিউ থেকে যান,
আপনি ভিউয়ে যান।
ভিউ
হ্যাঁ
থেকে ভিউ
ভিউ।
ভিউ জুম ইন।
আচ্ছা 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 আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, আরো বড় করতে হবে।
ঠিক আছে।
ঠিক আছে না? বেশি বড় হয়।
হ্যাঁ, ক্লিয়ার করে দেন, তাহলে উপরে দেখা যাবে। না না না, ওই যে নিচের এন্টার দেন দুইবার, চাপ
ও
দেন।
আচ্ছা 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 আচ্ছা, কন্ট্রোল সি দিলে তো হবে।
হ্যাঁ,
জি জি।
আমি তো
জি, এখন হ্যাঁ, এখন ক্লিয়ার লেখেন।
ওকে।
সলিউশন তো দিয়ে দিছে নাকি?
Yeah, why he gave us the solution?
সলিউশন তো ফাইল করতে হবে তো। এখানে
Wow.
এখানে ফাইল বলছে ফাইল 1 2 3 the file instead and determine if the effect data ঠিক আছে ঠিক আমি তো বুঝতে পারছি নোটস হচ্ছে না
Oh, first
আপনারা
মানে
কি
এর আগে ইটিসি স্ল্যাশ
আচ্ছা 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 আচ্ছা
শ্যাডো ইটিসি শ্যাডো ফাইলে যেতে হবে
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
complete pattern দেন।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ আমি তো অনেক কিছু করিও নাই
যেতে যান
যেতে হবে ইয়াতে
রুটে যান
এখান থেকে হবে হ্যাঁ
সিডি স্পেস আপনার স্ল্যাশ দেন না
স্ল্যাশ না
স্ল্যাশ হ্যাঁ এখন এলএস দেখেন
এখন কি আপনি পারমিশন গুলো দেখবো না আমরা
হ্যাঁ পারমিশন গুলো দেখবো যে মানে আপনি জাস্ট বোঝার জন্য আর কি যে কোথায় আছে ইটিসি ফাইল আছে এখানে এই যে ইটিসি
হ্যাঁ
নিচের লাইনে 3 নাম্বার
হ্যাঁ
ইটিসি ফাইল আছে
এই যে ইটিসি এই যে
ওখানে হ্যাঁ ওখানে তারপর শ্যাডো ফাইলের দেখতে হবে
তাইলে
যে ওটা পারমিশন কি আছে
এলএস দিয়ে যেতে হবে হ্যাঁ
না এলএস আপনি
Yes.
হ্যাঁ এলএস দিয়ে তারপর
Alex dash L দেন তারপর etc
ড্যাশ এল
এল না
এল
slash
তারপর হচ্ছে আপনার স্ল্যাশ ইটিসি
shadow
ট্যাব দিলে আসবে না
হ্যাঁ আশা করবো হ্যাঁ
তিনবার প্রত্যেকটাই তো
হ্যাঁ শ্যাডো আর একটা হচ্ছে জি শ্যাডো আর
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
গ্রুপ আর পাসওয়ার্ড দেখেন জি শ্যাডো দেন তারপরে গ্রুপ
চাইলে একসাথে দেখা দেওয়া যাবে স্পেস দিয়ে দিয়ে
আচ্ছা
চারটায়
আচ্ছা 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 বুঝছে আচ্ছা
এবার লাস্ট হচ্ছে পাসওয়ার্ড
পাসওয়ার্ড
হ্যাঁ আপ অ্যারো দেন আপ অ্যারো দিয়ে গ্রুপটাকে মুছে পি লেখেন পি লিখে ট্যাব দেন
পি না
হ্যাঁ।
ট্যাব আসে না তো
আচ্ছা তারপরে এ দেন
হুম,
ট্যাব দেন অথবা এস দেন
না হ্যাঁ
এখানে দেখেন পারমিশন গুলো এক একটাকে এক এক রকম আছে
হ্যাঁ
এখন
হ্যাঁ
এখন বলছে যে সেট পারমিশনস অন শ্যাডো টু অ্যালাউ অনলি রুট রিড এন্ড রাইট অ্যাক্সেস শ্যাডো ফাইলের জন্য
তাইলে set permission এটা তো 644 আছেই
না প্রথমটা থেকে যে উপরে হচ্ছে কি শ্যাডো
আচ্ছা সেটার থেকে শুরু করবো না
জি
ওকে
না প্রথমে দেখা হলো যে কি কি পারমিশনস আছে, তাই না? তারপর থেকে
হ্যাঁ
আর কি
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ কি কি পারমিশন আছে তারপরে
এখন বলছে যে রুটের জন্য রিড অ্যান্ড রাইট অ্যাক্সেস, শুধু রিড অ্যান্ড হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ রিড এন্ড রাইট রুটের জন্য রিড এন্ড রাইট
Let's do a number. Up to করে ট্রাই করি আমরা
সরি
নাম্বার দিয়ে নাম্বার পারমিশন গুলো চেঞ্জ করি।
আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ ওই যে নাম্বার দিয়ে 600
তো জাস্ট রিড এন্ড রাইট হলে কত নাম্বার হবে?
ভুলে গেছি তো
দেখেন এখন এখন এটা ইয়ে করেন, ব্যাকে যান,
দেখেন
হ্যাঁ কমান্ড দিতে হবে না, কমান্ড হচ্ছে কি
হ্যাঁ
সুডো,
আচ্ছা সুডো চলো
সুডো তারপর chmod, এখন আমাদের এটাকে পারমিশনস
600
600, তারপর হচ্ছে আপনার ওই যে ফাইল নেমটা /etc শ্যাডো প্রথমটা।
ভাই পাসওয়ার্ডে মনে হয় 644 হবে।
6
রুট আপনার রিড রাইট করতে পারবে সেজন্য 6 এবং আদার শুধু রিড করতে পারবে 44।
না আপনার এখানে তো রিড অ্যান্ড রাইট তো ছিল নাকি?
হ্যাঁ এই যে রিড এন্ড রাইট তো ছিল এই যে
বাট আপনি পারমিশন যখন দিবেন তখন গ্রুপ ও ওনার গ্রুপ এবং আদার সেটটা দিতে হবে। তো এখানে তো বলছে যে আপনার কি করবেন, ইনস্ট্রাকশনে যে পাসওয়ার্ডের কাছে বলছে root read and write access and all other read access only। তো আপনি 6 দিছেন, এখানে শুধু রুটেরটা দিছেন, অল আদার এরটা 00 দিয়ে দিছেন। 600 এটা হবে 644।
644
ওকে ইন্টার দিয়ে এলএস দিয়ে তাড়াতাড়ি দেখেন ফাইলটাকে।
শ্যাডো না ট্যাব দিলে তো আসে না
না না
না না না শ্যাডো দিলে হবে না তো,
সেটা না, এটা পাসওয়ার্ডের কথা বলতেছিলাম আমি, সরি।
না
সেটা না,
পাসওয়ার্ড
পাসওয়ার্ডের
পাসওয়ার্ড আপনার পাসওয়ার্ড নিফোকা
পাসওয়ার্ড দিয়ে দিছি তো আমি
ও
পাসওয়ার্ড দিয়ে দিছি আমি
হ্যাঁ এখন হচ্ছে কি আপনার হ্যাঁ ls তারপর ওই যে আপনার l দেন
মাইনাস
হ্যাঁ তারপর হচ্ছে কি আপনার ওই ফাইলটা দেন না 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 /etc শ্যাডো,
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
কারণ আপনার তো হচ্ছে গিয়ে রুটের ভিতরে etc তারপরে শ্যাডো,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ yes, yes,
কারণ আপনি তো এখন রুটে আছেন।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ yes. ঠিক আছে তো না
দেখছেন এখন চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেছে।
হ্যাঁ এখন চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেছে ইয়েস থ্যাংক ইউ
হ্যাঁ এখন তারপর নেক্সট ওই যে জি হ্যাঁ জি শ্যাডো, যেটা জি শ্যাডোতে কি বলছে সেম
সেম না
ওই যে আর কেন সেটা বুঝতে পারছেন?
হ্যাঁ
যে when we run the file we see হ্যাঁ এটা
হ্যাঁ এটা ওই যে 644
ওকে 6 কোনটা হয়েছে বলেন তো?
6 হচ্ছে যে এই যে
এড করেন, এটা কি কত নাম্বার হবে?
এটা আর হচ্ছে 4
ওকে
আর ওটা হচ্ছে 2 2
ওকে।
ঠিক আছে, আর এটা হচ্ছে
হ্যাঁ
4 4
হ্যাঁ, because read means to, এটা মনে রাখতে হবে কি যে
মনে
আমরা
রাখতে হবে, ওই লিস্ট এটা মনে রাখতে হবে।
that's it.
ঠিক। ওকে, এখন তো লাস্টটা করতে হবে, তাই না?
এখন বলছে যে গ্রুপের ক্ষেত্রে রিড
হুম।
অ্যান্ড রাইট অ্যাক্সেস and all others read access only.
গ্রুপের ক্ষেত্রে হচ্ছে read and write and are for all others, তাইলে 6, তাইলে সেম জিনিস 6 4 4।
Yes.
ঠিক আছে না?
হুম
ওকে, এখন বোনাস না?
আমরা কি শ্যাডো এবং জি শ্যাডোর ক্ষেত্রে কি আমরা কি ভুল করলাম?
ভুল হয়েছে নাকি?
শ্যাডো এবং জি শ্যাডোর ক্ষেত্রে কি আমরা কি ভুল করলাম? ওখানে কিন্তু বলছে শুধু রুট রিড অ্যান্ড রাইট অ্যাক্সেস।
তাইটা মনে হচ্ছে।
Instead of 644, it should be 6
0 0
600. Yeah, 600.
600 হওয়ার কথা।
600 হওয়ার কথা, ইয়েস। প্রথমে ভুল ঠিক ছিল।
কোন
এখন
ভাই আমাদেরকে মিসগাইড করছেন, ওনাকে বের করতে হবে।
না, ভুল করাটাও ভালো, ভুল না হলে তো শেখা যাবে না। 6 জি শ্যাডো।
হ্যাঁ, আপনি ওই যে ইয়েতে আপ অ্যারো দিয়ে জাস্ট খালি ওই যে কমান্ডটাতে
এবং আপনাকে ওই ডিরেক্টরি সুইচ করতে হবে না, আপনি তো এখন রুট ডিরেক্টরিতে আছেন। ইউ ক্যান বি অন হোম ডিরেক্টরি টু, কারণ ওখানে বলে না ডিরেক্টরি
আরেকটু
সুইচ করার জন্য।
আরেকটু আপে যান, 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 আরেকবার। না না না, ওই যে আপনি এই যে শ্যাডো, এটাতে 6044 এর জায়গায় 600। না না না, আপনার ই করেন না,
ঠিক আছে, 600 হবে না?
হ্যাঁ জি হ্যাঁ, না আপনি আপনার পিছনে শ্যাডোটা কেটে দিচ্ছেন। শ্যাডো
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, বুঝছি বুঝছি, এটা ভুল হয়ে গেছে, এটা জি শ্যাডো হবে।
না না, শুধু শ্যাডো লেখেন প্রথমটা।
শ্যাডো, আচ্ছা শ্যাডো শ্যাডো, ইয়েস, ওকে।
এবং জি শ্যাডো সেম জিনিস। এখন শ্যাডোর জায়গায় শুধু সামনে একটা জি লিখে দেন, তাহলেই হবে। হ্যাঁ, এখন আমরা দুইটা চেক চেক করতে পারি।
ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে, জি শ্যাডো 600।
তার মানে যেটা বোঝা যাচ্ছে যে আগে যে শ্যাডো ফাইলটা ছিল, যেই পারমিশনটা যেটা দেওয়া ছিল সেটাই থাকছিল, তাই না? পারমিশন
হ্যাঁ
চেঞ্জ
হ্যাঁ
হয়নি,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
তাই না হাবিব ভাই?
জি
না, বলছিলাম যে মানে
already
আগে যে
600 selo, yes.
আগে যে
হ্যাঁ
পারমিশন ছিল
ছিল
সেই
ছিল।
পারমিশনটাই রাখতে বলছে। এখন ইয়ে মানে সিনিয়র অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেটর বলছে যে
এই এই যে
মানে
এটা ছিল।
আপনার এই হিসাবে করার জন্য।
হ্যাঁ এই যে
হ্যাঁ
এই যে ছিল ছিল এটা, আর এই যে ছিল।
হ্যাঁ, শুধু জি শ্যাডোটা চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে আর বাকিগুলো একটু একটু করে চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে, এই আর কি।
হ্যাঁ
আমরা এখন বোনাসে যাই, ভেরিফাই অল অ্যাকাউন্টস হ্যাভ পাসওয়ার্ডস।
তাহলে ওইটা কি দিতে হবে? সুতো রানিং সুতো তো এই রুট। ঠিক আছে কমান, এটা তো
জি,
ইয়াতে ঠিক আছে তো, মানে তো কি
নিচের দিক
অবস্থা?
দেখতে পাচ্ছেন কেন কেটে যাচ্ছে?
হুম, আমি এটা বেশি বড় হয়ে গেছে।
সিএল দিয়ে দেন, কন্ট্রোল
হ্যাঁ
এল দেন।
কন্ট্রোল এল,
হ্যাঁ
কন্ট্রোল এল দিলে সব চলে গেছে তো।
না, স্ক্রল আপ করলে যাবে তো, দেখা যাবে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
স্ক্রল আপ করবে।
ও আচ্ছা,
হ্যাঁ
থ্যাংক ইউ থ্যাংক ইউ থ্যাংক ইউ।
সমস্যা নেই।
আচ্ছা এই যে এটা আসছে। It does not have a password. Independent does not have a password. We want to verify that each account has a password hash and here's a dollar sign আছে। Each account has a password hash. No password set.
বলেছে কি বলছে?
আমি ভাই ঠিক আছে দেখেন তো এটা
Verify all account has password. Recall if the new user is
আচ্ছা চেক করতে হবে, চেক করতে হবে। আচ্ছা চেক করে
দেন এন্টার দেন।
হুম হ্যাঁ সবগুলোতে ঠিক আছে, তো এইটাতে সবগুলোতেই ইয়ে আসছে। Verify that no user have EYD. We are examining the function password while only the root. Right. এটা এটা তো দিলাম।
ওকে, কি অবস্থা?
হ্যাঁ,
ভাই এই যে বোনাসটা দেখতেছিলাম,
ভালো করে বুঝছেন? এটা এটা কিন্তু ইম্পর্টেন্ট এক্সপ্লয়েট করার জন্য। vulnerability যখন হবে, এগুলো কিন্তু খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট।
why verify that means
বোনাসটা বুঝতেছি না।
হুম,
বোনাসটা ভাইয়া এখন শেষ হয়নি।
verify that user has UID. Verify root.
হ্যাঁ, এটা তো ইজি। বোনাসটা তো জাস্ট ওখানে কোনো লক আছে কিনা, কোনো কিছু আছে কিনা এটা দেখা আর কি।
আবির ভাই করে ফেলেন বোনাসটা।
বোনাসটা তো
আমি একটু
ভাইয়া একটু বোনাসটা দেখা দেন।
আমি একটু নামাজে যাই।
বোনাসটা ওকে। আমার আমার স্ক্রিন দেখতেছেন?
আমি
জি।
জি দেখা যাচ্ছে।
বোনাসটা কি বলছে? ওকে, give sudo. So we need sudo, then we check the root shadow file grep
বোনাসটা ভাইয়া বলছে যে verify all accounts have password.
shadow indicate the user does not have the password. Okay, so ever b the root password. See,
So this is the root password?
হ্যাঁ, this is the root password. তো এবং এখানে কনফার্ম যে এখানে কোনো নোটেশন নাই, এক্সক্লেমেটরি সাইন নাই, ইন্ডিকেট দা there is a no password set that user, মানে এখানে কোনো এক্সক্লেমেটর নাই বলে যে এটা কেউ বন্ধ করতে পারবে না। ঠিক আছে,
Okay.
কারণ হচ্ছে দিস ইজ দা রুট পাসওয়ার্ড, কোনো ইউজারের পক্ষে এটা সম্ভব না এটাকে বন্ধ করা। দেন উই ক্যান চেক দিস ইজ দা কোনো কিছু স্টপ আছে কিনা আমরা দেখি। এক্সক্লেমেটরি enter, yes, there is a lots of user is stop now. There is a system stop, system resolve, system log, and also John FTP difficult. This is a stop, and now you can check verify that no user have UID 0 beside root. So all root have all IDs more than 0, and then run less okay, password.
How do you know this is the password?
No password, I can check now. Verify the user. Okay, we can examine a third field each line. Okay, file. Okay, run. Okay, now sudo, you can less etc pass. So now indicate the Adam also has UID 0. Okay, or the Adam এখানে কি অ্যাডামে ঢুকতে বলছিল আমাকে?
এই জিরোটা দিয়ে কি ইন্ডিকেট করতেছে?
জিরোটা হচ্ছে যে ইউজার রুট আর কি।
root ID 0 না আর স্ট্যান্ডার্ড তো less than 1000 no more than 1000 system is less than 1000
কিন্তু অ্যাডামে 0 আছে।
অ্যাডামে 0, এটা হচ্ছে যে অ্যাডাম অলসো 0 দা এখন এটা
মানে অ্যাডাম কি ভাই রুট ইউজার?
না, অ্যাডাম রুট ইউজার না, এটা আমরা বানাইছি আর কি, যে এটা ইন্ডিকেট করার জন্য। So এটা চালানোর পরে আমরা দেখতেছি যে we can see indicate that the user Adam also has a UID 0. So cleaner but trickle solution is not run grep. So now we can check. Sudo জাস্ট এটা আমরা বানাইছি আর কি, আমরা একটা দেখাচ্ছি আর কি, এটা আমি আগেই বানাইছি একটা সিস্টেম দিয়ে। sudo grep then we can search x, যদি আমাদের কোনো 0 থাকে এটা আমরা দেখার জন্য। then we etc password eto. So we have Adam and root 0, you know, but you see the 000, but Adam is a home directory being sh, and root is the root directory being bash. Now we can check this just to check sudo change 0 to something greater than okay, so we now change this sudo nano etc
shadow
password,
password,
and now we can go to the Adam. So we now change, this is the system, not 0. We can try to
something greater than 1000.
Yes, 1 to 1025, then this 1025. Okay, and then x, yes. Okay, now again we can check only root list your finding research directory so okay, create document story store this finding including everything from above. So আপনি যা পাইছেন ওটা ওখানে পারমিশন txt তে আপনি ওটা অ্যাড করে ফেলেন, ঠিক আছে, পরবর্তীগুলো লাগবে। ওকে, মানে আপনি যে ইয়াগুলো পাইছেন এখানে সিস্টেমে, যে অ্যাডমে একটা 0 ছিল, হ্যাঁ, এই 0টাকে আমরা মুছে দিচ্ছি, এগুলো সবগুলো লাগবে পরবর্তীতে, পরীক্ষা আছে কাজে। ওকে, সো এটা তো আপনারা বুঝছেন পারমিশনটা। So now managing service. After reviewing permission, আমরা permission review করছি অনেকবার, we are moving to the service and service user. The next lecture, demo and activity will focus on the managing service, a common activity of a system admin. আচ্ছা, আমাদের একটা ক্লাস যে মিস গেছে, ওই ক্লাসটা কখন করবেন আমাকে একটু জানাবেন তো। সো
মানে ক্লাস যেটা মিস গেছে ওটা মানে
ওয়ান ডে আমাদের মিস গেল না।
আচ্ছা, ওই যে রোববারটা যেটা আচ্ছা, আপনি আর রোববারেরটা তো এই এই শনিবারে নেন নাই নাকি? ওটা স্কিপ করে গেছিলেন?
না, সবগুলো চলতেছে, কিন্তু ডে মিস গেছে আর কি, একটা ডে লেকচার মিস জানে, ডে মিস গেছে আর কি।
ও আচ্ছা।
So what is the server? A server are just a computer that offers service to other computer, and a service is function capability that one machine make available to another. For example, file sharing service allow computer to send and receive. Some service are only can run locally on the server and not provide to other computer. So Tripwire is an example of local security service. And this service are package that you can install and remove just like other program. So manipulating service to do things that they are not designed to do is a common form of attack. Administrators are responsible for securing service that are running and removing service that are not in use. It's crucial for system administrator to be able to start, stop, and inspect service to ensure they are running when they should be. In the following demo, you will find stop and uninstall a unnecessary Samba file sharing service. So Samba is SMB, is protocol that allow user to view, download, and store file remotely. It is commonly used for file sharing among Windows computer, but Linux can use it as well. So SMB is extremely useful for legitimate user, but has above security risks, too much risks about this Samba. If a malicious user is able to gain access to shared folder, they can exfiltrate, alter, and delete a sensitive file. So Samba can be secure, but often is not. Attacker frequently target Samba and similar service for just this reason. So demo we are working. Since this server has already been compromised, you will proceed by stopping SMB service and then uninstall it from the system. It will be required following step: listing all running service, identify the Samba service in the list of, verify it's running, then stop it, ensuring that Samba doesn't start when the machine is start up, ensuring that Samba is no longer running, uninstalling the Samba service completely. So how do we make this? You can go. Everyone see the system?
Not
So
yet.
now we can this is the systemctl has a lot of option, but not complete execution. We can only need to know this following. This is the systemctl sudo systemctl. This is the main system service, so we can lots of option, lots of service in this machine, so you can check all service in this machine systemctl. So now we can check. This is the systemctl T service, and then all. Okay, a list of running service all. Before we just check this all types of service, but now we check this all running service. So this is the running service, which service is running in this our system. So and then now the lots of system is running now. So now we can check how to stop this service and how to run this service. So in here, this -t is stand for a type. Type means a service, and all is all service. So in here, service basically unit in upper size unit is has a name of the service, and load is loaded shows if the service module is found on the system or not. So suppose audit D service is not found, and conman service not found, console screen service not found, and all is found. And active means this is the active or inactive, and sub means this is the running or exit or dead. This is the show the low level detailed service state, and description is the description of the service. Suppose Apache 2 service means Apache 2 service means is the Apache HTTP server is running or no. This description in there. And then we can easily see service that system has search for and are not found on the system. Those are marked in the red under the load common and have a yellow dot to the left of the service name. So we'll look at how to identify the Samba SMBD process, and then I stop and disable it. So now we can check. This is the how to we found this Samba. Sudo systemctl status Samba SMBD. So Samba is running. You see, this is the Samba daemon is active and running. This is a very dangerous, but this is a very useful your file sharing processing. Everyone using this Samba. And this service is marked is active. You see, this is active running already, and service enable presets is enable, and then systemctl status, and then you show this is the show Samba is running. So now we need stop this Samba. How do we stop this service? Now you Control Z and Control C, then you out this in here, and then now status we just write down in stop SMBD Samba. So means this is the execute this command, and then again we can check this status. Now you see this is the Samba is inactive. So this is the show service is a mark as Samba is dead. Run sudo cmd disable, and then also we can trying to, but service is enable. You know, activity is inactive, but service is enable. If anyone reset, then service again enable. So we need now disable. So how do we can disable? We just write down in here. Means Samba we need totally disable. So disable a Samba. So synchronizing a state of the Samba with service execution at the disable Samba. Okay. So remove. So this service are just package. So you can remove package. Just we package is not disable. We just service is disable. Now we can check. This is the status. You see, the service is disabled, but they have also in package now. So if remove a whole Samba package, so you can write down sudo apt remove Samba. Okay. So reading the Samba is trying, and do you want to continue? Yes. So it is the totally Samba is removed from the system. So now if you say not found, okay. Status disable, no work any command. So this is the totally system have no found this active Samba file. So understand? So how the system is working? Any question?
So this is all about installing and removing services, right?
Yes, any system. This is a system file in service. So I signed this is the activity now, and this is the homework activity. Also, I send the solution, and next class, before class, you try this system and solve this issue. Okay.
And where can we get these all recordings?
Inshallah, tonight.
Okay.
I'm trying.
So where you will upload? You will upload in YouTube or?
No,
YouTube,
YouTube. Yes. Do you have YouTube? No. You know?
Yeah.
Yes.
Or you can
No,
upload in Drive and
I mean,
share.
do you have his channel?
Yes?
Yeah,
No.
that should be. You can type Cyber B.
that's fine. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll send it to you.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, put a
you can send me.
Put a notification on everything you're uploading.
আচ্ছা হারুন ভাই, এই যে
হ্যাঁ।
আপনার যে সাইবার বি চ্যানেলের ব্যাপারে ওই যে মনে করেন যে আমরা যখন আমাদের ক্লাসগুলো সার্চ করি, তো এই মানে ওই লেটেস্টটা দেখে আর কি বুঝি যে এটা, বাট কারণ অন্যান্য
আপনি প্লেলিস্টে যাবেন,
সেকেন্ড ব্যাচ বা ফার্স্ট।
আপনি ইয়েটা আপনি শেয়ার করেন আমাকে আপনার স্ক্রিনটা।
আচ্ছা।
I have just a quick notice. So from tomorrow onwards, Canada, one of Reputed Institute is going to organize SOC Analyst Bootcamp. So if anyone would like to join, they can.
You just share and then we can see.
Yeah, okay.
ইয়েতে দেখা যায়?
হ্যাঁ, আপনি প্লেলিস্টে যান, প্লেলিস্ট, ক্লিক দ্য প্লেলিস্ট।
ওকে, আচ্ছা।
Batch wise all video. You can now click this batch 3.
Okay, we can start this. So today is the class.
Okay.
Okay, না ওই এইটা আর কি ইয়ে করা হয়নি, এক্সপ্লোর করা হয়নি, এই জন্য আর কি বলতেছিলাম যে আমি ওই যে ভিডিওস গুলো দেখছিলাম।
ও, এটা আমাদের বিশ্বজিৎ ভাই ঠিক করে দিয়েছে আমাকে।
থ্যাংক ইউ বিশ্বজিৎ ভাই।
No problem. আমিও ফার্স্টে ডিফিকাল্টিস ফেস করছি, ধরেন ফাইন্ড আউট করতে, পরে আমি ওনাকে বলছি যে ওকে হোয়াট ইফ উই ডু দ্যাট, দেন
এখানে সবার মনে রাখতে হবে আমরা সবাই কিন্তু ছাত্র, আমরা সবাই শিখতেছি এখানে।
না
এটাই হচ্ছে আমাদের সৌন্দর্য, এটাই হচ্ছে আমাদের বিউটি এই বুট ক্যাম্পের।
লেটেস্টলি ঢুকে নাই, তো এই জন্য আর কি বিশ্বজিৎ ভাই যে আপডেটটা করছে এটা আর কি চোখে পড়ে নাই, তো ওই জন্য আর কি। বাট এটাতে এখন মানে নাও ইট ইজ মানে কি হয়ে গেল, মানে
এটা এখন ইজিয়ার টু ফাইন্ড।
হ্যাঁ, ইজিয়ার টু ফাইন্ড যে কোন ব্যাচের বা হচ্ছে কোন ক্লাসটা হচ্ছে।
there is no conflict আর কি, আপনার কোনো কনফ্লিক্ট নাই যে কোনটা কোন ব্যাচের ভিডিও, সো ইউ ক্যান জাস্ট ডিরেক্টলি গো টু দি প্লেলিস্ট।
সরি আমার কোয়েশ্চেন করাটা একটু ভুল হয়ে গেছে।
No, no, no.
No, it's completely fine.
Okay, আপনার আমাদের ওয়েবিনারকে try to share
Hey,
your group.
did you
এবং
find the
আপনাদের-
channel?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'll
I
search.
sent the link on chat, so yeah, you can just go there.
আপনাদের নেটওয়ার্কে সবাইকে জানাই দেন ওয়েবিনার 31 অক্টোবর সবাইকে ফেসবুকে রিকোয়েস্ট পাঠান সবাইকে একটু জানান so we can try to every month arrange this webinar everyone but we just our student no outsider we invited all speaker in only our student so this is our plan we build up our capability is this good or we can invite outside
Yeah, for certain time we can do by ourselves. Then later on we can invite other people.
and every bootcamp new just you can learn new thing learn you can explore in this webinar so everybody new people they can understand what is this okay thank you good night so tomorrow means next Saturday 9 a.m. inshallah
Inshallah.
Okay.